Hello, I am reviewing the Willow and Everett stainless steel whistling kettle. It comes with a loose leaf tea strainer. It is a very nice size kettle. And so the features I found is that the handle does not get hot. It opens easily with the little pull up here. I would never use the little silver tab here to actually open that. It becomes very hot. The lid does not always sit snugly in enough, and a lot of the steam actually escapes. I've got it going here, so it maybe will whistle and show us if it's going to escape or not. I always am pushing down on the lid extra to try to keep the steam in, but I shouldn't have to do that. And so the main reason I got it was for the whistle. It's a dual whistle, and it should sound somewhat harmonic, but I don't always find that to be the case, especially if steam is escaping through the lid. It is rather wide based at 9 inches, and I find it too large for my back burners, and actually has still been hot, and we have carelessly allowed it up against the silicone, and it has melted some of the silicone around the seal of our stovetops. So it is too wide for daily use, which is what I do. And I spent several days, probably a month actually, looking for the right teapot. So I am disappointed that the whistle is not consistent. That's the main thing that I'm going for, but it also is too large to fit on my stove and be convenient to work around and fit on my 6-inch burner, like my past teapot. So here we go. Hopefully we'll get a good sound and you guys can hear it. I find that there's a lack of good reviews and videos, so here we go. So a little steam is escaping, and no matter how I push on it, it doesn't really stop escaping. There's no turning it. So you end up with a high-pitched squeal instead of a harmonic sound. That's not what I'm going for. So I'll be returning this. Okay, so I'll take it off. It does have a clean pour. I'm not left-handed, but it does have a clean pour. No drips. I've never found it to be an issue regarding that. But the width of the base and the fact that the whistle does not sound like I want it to sound, what I bought it for, I will be returning this product. You can decide on your own. I hope that was helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye.